Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll tackle an interesting problem that many developers encounter. The problem we're diving into today revolves around the concept of writing more Pythonic code. It's a common scenario where you want to perform a certain action a specific number of times without needing to use the loop variable in your code. Now, let's delve into the solution for this problem. The solution lies in using an underscore instead of a named variable like I when you're iterating through a loop in Python. By doing this, you're signaling to anyone reading your code that the variable is not going to be utilized. Pretty neat, right? So, the code snippet that showcases this Pythonic approach is a simple function named more_Pythonic. Inside this function, we have a for loop that iterates 3 times and prints out the message "is this okay?" each time. In summary, we've explored a smart and concise way to handle a common coding problem by embracing Python's elegance. I hope you found this solution helpful and informative. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment with your thoughts. See you next time.